Smart Audiobook Player is one of the best audiobook apps on Android. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Smart Audiobook Player in 5 easy steps. If you prefer a written step-by-step guide, check the link in the description. Let's get started. Step 1. How to install Smart Audiobook Player. Open the Google Play Store and search for Smart Audiobook Player. It's free to download, with an optional one-time upgrade that unlocks extra features for just a few dollars. Step 2. How to import audiobooks to Smart Audiobook Player. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to select a root folder. This is the main folder where all your audiobooks are stored on your phone. The app also suggests a folder structure, and I highly recommend following it. It keeps everything clean and easy to navigate. Here's how I've set it up. I have a main audiobooks folder. Inside it, I've created a folder for each author, one for Chris Guillebeau and another for Dave Ramsey. Inside the Chris Guillebeau folder, I have his books, Side Hustle and the $100 Startup. And inside the Dave Ramsey folder, I have Baby Steps Millionaires. Each book folder has the audio files for that audiobook. Once your folders are ready, go back to the app and tap OK to add the root folder. Select your audiobooks folder, then tap Use this folder. Now the app asks for file access permission. Tap Allow, and that's it. All your audiobooks will now appear in the library, ready to play. If you need help creating these folders, check the step-by-step video, linked in the description. Step 3. How to play audiobooks in Smart Audiobook Player. When you tap on an audiobook in your library, it opens the playback screen. Use the play button on the cover to start or pause. Let's go through the key controls on the playback screen. Use rewind and forward controls to skip back or ahead by 10 seconds or 1 minute. You can adjust the skip time in settings. Use previous and next to move between chapters or jump directly to any chapter by tapping Select Chapter. Use the sleep timer option to stop playback automatically. There's also a motion tracking option that can stop playback when I fall asleep. More on that later. Use boost volume for louder audio. I find it especially helpful when listening in noisy environments or when the original recording sounds too low. The equalizer option lets you fine-tune audio, and the playback speed button allows you to increase or decrease the narration speed. The characters option allows you to add names and short descriptions of different characters in a book. Bookmarks let you save interesting sections of the book by adding bookmarks. The lock button prevents accidental taps while listening. You'll also find a few advanced options. Opus saves storage space, ID3 cleans up confusing chapter names and replaces them with clear and readable titles. Rotate pauses playback when your phone is face down, and Cast lets you play on other devices. Tap the More menu for settings or to return to your library. Step 4. Understand the library section. The library section has all your books in one place. The app organizes audiobooks into 3 categories: new, started, and finished. New shows books you haven't started yet, started shows what you're currently listening to, and finished shows your completed books. To update a book's status, long press the book cover and mark it new, started, or finished. If a book is missing cover art, you can use the search cover on the internet option to fix it. In the top right corner, you have 3 options. Folder view lets you switch between folder, grid, or list layouts. The full scan option rescans the root folder and updates the library after adding or deleting audiobooks or changing the folder structure. More options takes you to settings, playback stats, and help. Inside settings, you can change the root folder and enable extra library buttons for quicker access. Let's select all available options. Once enabled, the new buttons appear in the library section. Search helps you quickly find books by title or author. Sort lets you organize by title, date added, length, or recently played. Book queue works like a playlist, letting you line up multiple audiobooks. To add a book to the queue, long press it and select Add to Book Queue. Step 5. Settings and customization most users miss. The More menu on the playback screen gives you access to powerful settings. Tap More, then Settings. Let's quickly go through the most important ones, starting with playback control. Here, you can adjust the auto rewind option and choose whether playback should pause during incoming messages, navigation instructions, or other media. You can also set the player to stop automatically after a long listening session, anywhere from 1 to 4 hours. In the sleep timer section, you can set a timer from 5 to 90 minutes, or stop playback at the end of a chapter. One feature I really like here is motion tracking. It lets you gently shake your device occasionally to signal that you're still awake. Each shake resets the timer. If you don't, playback stops automatically. The full version settings unlock even more customization options available in the paid version. Smart Audiobook Player, free versus Pro. The Pro version is a one-time purchase, usually between $1 and $3, and works across all devices linked to your account. I highly recommend the Pro version, as it gives you access to the full version settings with a range of options to customize your listening experience. You can enjoy Pro features free for the first 30 days after installing the app. If you enjoy audiobooks, hit subscribe for tips, hidden gems, and smarter ways to listen.